Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to find the solutions of x, y, z. So the first thing I will put equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. So I will put about equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So in this situation, you can see that this one divided by this one. That means this number divided by this number. So we can simplify this one over this one. So we just have like this. Now we can do similar for number 3 divided by number 2. And we have like this. So that is about x plus z over z plus y. And we have 96 over 120. And the last one, number 3 divided by number 1. So this one we have like this. So now we just create 3 equations. Now we put 72 go to the left, x plus y go to the right. Similar for this one. And this one. Now we need to simplify the numbers. This one that is about number 3. This one that is about number 5. This one that is about number 5, number 4. And this one number 3 and number 4. Now we need to expand similar for this one and this one. So we have like this. Now I will put this one plus this one and we have 6x minus 2z equals to number 0. So we put this one go in here. Then we divide both sides by number 6. Next, after you got this one, we can put this one go in here. Now we change s into this one. And now we can find the value of y equals to 2/3z. After we have everything in here, we can select one equation in here. So I will put this one go in here and here. Y that is about this one. So this one that is about number 1. This one that's about number 1. So this is about 2z. Then we divide both sides by number 2. Later that we got about z equals to number 6 and z equals to negative number 6. After we got the value of z, we can find the value of s and y. So for the first one, s equals to number 2 and s equals to negative number 2. And the next one, so we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.